What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to put plugins into FL Studio. So step number one, I want you to put all your plugins into one folder. Name that folder plugins. Like for example, what I've done here, here's our folder. When I open it, you're going to find Purity as the plugin or VST that we're going to be putting in FL Studio today. So make sure that your plugin is unzipped, or else if it's zipped, this trick won't work. So close that up and we move on to step number two. I want you to go to FL Studio. When you open FL Studio, we are going to be looking for this after file edit add. We want the add. So click on add and go to where it says more plugins. Once you click on that, a window is going to pop up. This window shows you the plugins that you have already scanned for and you have liked, and some that you can add onto your list. So I could simply add all these to my list, but some of them I don't feel the need of using them. So if there comes a chance where I need to use it, I can always go and like it or favorite, so that it comes back to my FL Studio channel rec or something like that. But for today, we are putting in a very new plugin. This plugin, we are using Purity. Sorry for, as you can see, Purity is already there because in my laptop I already have Purity. So for the sake of the video, we're going to assume that I don't have Purity. So you're going to come down here where it says manage plugins, and you're going to click manage plugins. This will open up the FL Studio plugin manager. This is where you add or remove plugins. We do that by this small area right here. As you can see, there's a small folder with a plus sign and the other one with an X. The one with the plus sign is for adding folders that have plugins. The one with an X is for removing folders with a plugin. So today we don't want to remove plugins, we want to add plugins. So we are going to come here and click add, and what FL Studio will show you is a small box that you're going to browse the folder that is the plugin. So we know that our folder is on the desktop. It's right here on the desktop. So we're going to go to the desktop and just click desktop, and just give me a second. We're going to click desktop and browse until we find our plugins folder, and we're going to click on that. Make sure that down here where it says folder, it's written the folder that is the plugins that we want. As you can see, I have this folder called plugins, but inside it has Purity, and that's the one that I want. So after I got the folder that has all my plugins, I'm going to press OK, and automatically FL Studio will now know that I should look for plugins in a folder on the desktop called plugins. I hope that makes sense. So yes, after that we're going to go to another step. The next step you're going to take is to click find plugin. Once you click find plugin, FL Studio is going to start running through your laptop to look for the plugins that you have told it to look for. And